girl, that's plagiarism.
Okay.
Relax, copy is my talent, paste is my destiny.
Wow naman! Wow!
Do ba 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 do.
Nakakatakot po! Yung heart ko! Mawawala na!
Who dares summon the power of copy and paste? It's them! They stole the whole internet. Even the commas are suspicious. Objection! This work is protected by copyright. You cannot just take it and free Wi-Fi.
Oh my god! Wow!
But I changed the font.
You changed the font, not my feelings!
Use fair use wisely. Paraphrase, cite your sources, be original.
So, I should think before I copy?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I write it again in my own words and credit the author. Good, creativity is power, plagiarism disappears.
Use fair use wisely. Paraphrase.
Action!
Gila?
Ayun, tanaw daan! Silpon. Pag silpon lang.